Do when you're bored and you can't sleep. I was going to hold off on doing a unboxing or review on this tool, but I figured I might as well do it now. Nothing else to do. It's out of China. The name on the box says Home Mechanic Bicycle, or they kind of messed up bicycle, R tool, made in China. Anyway, it's a truing stand. It's probably one of the cheapest ones you can get on Amazon. The reason I picked it up is because I really don't use it enough that I really don't need anything very accurate, because I'm just using it for home use. Most of the time when I true my wheels, I was just basically putting the bike upside down and using the brakes to true them. I can get away with that, obviously, because I got about maybe 12 years experience as a bike mechanic. I'm pretty much retired now. And so yeah, I haven't touched a truing stand since 1992, I'm guessing. And I figured I'd pick this one up, maybe do a video on how to true wheels, or how I do it anyway. But we're just going to do a quick unboxing here and see what quality is. Someone left a review already on Amazon. They said that it works good, but it's not going to be as accurate because it doesn't have any measuring points in that on it. I'm just going to take a minute to get it out. Yeah, the other reason I grabbed this is it's got these plastic drop-offs here for the wheel. I'm guessing you change it, flip it over from front and rear. It's made out of plastic, so if I wanted to do hub motors, if it's too small here, I could just basically open it up a bit without totally screwing it up. I guess all you do is you just basically pull on it, unfold it. There you go. And this goes down. Well, it does sort of have markings on it. It does on this anyway. That's metal, by the way. This piece... see, I don't like that. This should have been threaded. That's actually kind of dumb. Why wouldn't they make that threaded? That's stupid. Okay, so I'm not a big fan of the way they made this. Or this part, anyway. This is the most important part of this truing stand, and they half-ass it. Like, this just pushes back and forth. There's no... This should have been threaded. Weird. Anyway, so yeah, if you had to change the wheel, you just basically fold it like that. I think once for rear and then front. It's falling apart just a little bit. I'm surprised it isn't cheaper than it is for 30 bucks. I mean, at least it's a steel frame or aluminum frame. This is plastic. This is metal. Plastic. It's not that bad. There's not much really. I can't go into great detail. I can set a wheel in it and see what it looks like. Well, this is interesting. I think they gave me one that wasn't assembled properly, so I'm using it properly. If I have this swung over to the other side here, it goes way too low here, and you can't even use the this adjustment thing here for the dish, or the out of round rim, which this one actually is a little bit. You can see it. I'm surprised it's not worse how loose they are. Each spoke is pretty loose. Anyway, yeah, I think they put it together wrong. This, as you can see, the hinge on there should be loosened off and flipped around, and then it would work, which I'm about to do, and we'll see if it fixes it. Okay, I figured out what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of these, but I can use these as a reference for the screws and bolts that I'm going to pick up for it. I'm basically going to find a screw that obviously is this long, or if not longer, and 2 nuts. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically glue, I'm going to use my shoe glue, and glue the nut here and glue the nut here, and then you just basically thread it in, and you can turn it and it's threaded, right? And that'll work. This is no good. I'm guessing this is probably a return to Amazon. This one here is smooth. It's like it's got some friction. I already looked inside. I can't see any issues with it. It's just the tolerance here is just too loose. So as soon as the rim hits it, it knocks it out of the way. This one here won't move because it's got some friction. But I can't duplicate it here. So we're going to have to do the bolt and nut mod on this thing just so I can use it. At least this part's going to work, sort of. But, that sucks.